This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Henrico County. More specifically, I am in the U of R area. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. This home is newly renovated, and if you're at all familiar with the University of Richmond, you know that we are in a pretty exclusive area. Within a half a mile of here, we are looking at many 7-figure homes. So price and value is determined by what is in the area, location, location, location. And so that's going to be the number one predictor of what a home is valued at, what it ultimately sells for, what it appraises for. All of those things are dictated by what has sold lately. So you may look at this home and you may say, wow, Max, that's a pretty hefty price tag. But you have to look at the entire picture. The other thing to consider, and on any house, not just this one, but on any house, it will only sell for what the market is willing to pay. So from time to time, people will comment and they'll say, oh, that house is overpriced. And that may be an opinion. However, if it sells at or near the asking price, then it was not overpriced. It just simply may have been out of someone's comfort zone for what they would pay for a given home. So it's important to understand those differentiations and value and how that works in real estate. Okay, here on the front, we can see we've got a good looking black and white exterior. Black and white is the common theme that's throughout this home. I like it because it's a classic palette, and you can come in on the interior and just kind of customize it if you want to put a splash of color. Obviously, any color will work, and go ahead and make it your own. This lot, we have a semi-private lot. We do have an open side here, but in the back, we are fenced, and then we have a chain link fence on the other side, so you could easily completely enclose this home without a lot of effort. Our exterior does have partial brick and partial siding. I believe that may be aluminum. We do have dimensional or architectural shingles, and that looks like a newer heating air system as well. This home built in 1957, and when we go inside, many of you will recognize this floor plan probably as a floor plan that you grew up with. It's a very common floor plan that we saw a lot during the 50s and 60s and 70s. Okay, we've got a side door there. We're going to see that, of course, when we go inside. And a lot of people love this area because it is convenient not only to the far west end, but also to the city of Richmond. Very quiet here, nice established neighborhood. And Kristen Hopkins is the listing agent. You have seen her work before. She definitely works with some amazing rehabbers and sellers, and it's always a treat to bring her staged properties to you. Okay, let's see what we have in store. All right, when we come in at the front, of course, we have a nice big bay window. This home does feature newly finished wood floors. We've got crown molding in here, LED lighting, a wood burning fireplace, and here to the right is going to be our coat closet, convenient to the front door. Take a look at these beautifully refinished wood floors. This is something that you just don't see in new construction. That character is just gorgeous. Let's take a look here on our side porch. I love the side porch because it's a great place if you want to grab some air, have some coffee in the morning. Super convenient. If you really wanted to, you could, of course, enclose this and maybe put up some screen and or condition it. But right now, you do have a ceiling fan, and of course, you're shaded here in the summertime, so just a really nice space. Some of the little details, this is important because they took the time out to go ahead, put little details in, like that electric outlet. That's huge if you wanted to plug something in out here. It's already been done for you. Just a really nice benefit. Also, with our replacement windows, these have been wrapped, and wrapping is a fabulous feature because this portion here is notorious for picking up water damage. If it were wood, you would constantly be painting and redoing those areas. When they're wrapped, it now becomes a no maintenance window. All right, here to the left is going to be our dining space. We do have a chair rail in place, nice and bright. I love the fixtures that they selected here throughout this beautiful home. Once again, the wood floors do continue here in this space as well. We are nice and open to our kitchen. Our kitchen has some classic styling. White cabinets with black accents. A stainless LG refrigerator fits nicely there. On this side, we do have quartz countertops. Those are 42-inch cabinets. And of course, all of our stainless appliances do convey. Nice deep farmhouse sink with the commercial style faucet. And of course, our window looking out the backyard. This home does have a wood backsplash, which is kind of neat. It does have a little texture to it. Not a common material that we see, but I like it because it does still give us a little bit of texture and it's not just plain drywall. We're going to start downstairs and see what we have in store down here. To the left is going to be our little laundry nook. We have front load LG. They do convey, which is a nice plus. Luis, I know you like to have appliances, and you got them all in this home. This, of course, is going to be our Carrier gas furnace. And we do have a powder room, which is down here. It makes it nice and convenient, so you don't have to go up and down the steps if you were down here on this lower level. This powder room is neat because we have a really interesting ceiling here. They came in with a distressed wood look here on the ceiling. I like that. It gives us a little bit of styling here, and they continued it here in this laundry nook as well. Little laundry table right there. The home does feature 200 amp electrical, and all of that is updated. Okay, let's take a look at our bedroom that we have down here. Now, this bedroom can go either way. It could be a bedroom or it could be a home office. I say that it's a bedroom, and we do have a legitimate closet right there. So somebody could utilize this if needed. Here on the table, we have some interesting reading material. This first one is best-selling options in divorce. Unfortunately, divorce does happen, and it's important to make smart moves in that scenario to protect yourself. So you want to make sure if you or someone you know is in that scenario, you definitely want to pay special attention to what to do and what not to do. The Home Buyer's Guide, everything you need to know about buying a house. If you are in the market, this of course is very good information here. And insider home selling tips. There are a lot of tips and tricks that I have picked up over the years, and I definitely want to share them with my clients and potential clients. If you are interested in any of those 3 books, the first person that responds to the book that they're interested in down below in the comments, just send me a message and we'll go ahead and get you a complimentary copy of the book of your choice. All right, let's take a look here in our family room. Family room is down here on the lower level. This is our informal space, nice and big. You can put a nice large TV on one end of this and just have a really nice viewing space. We've got our door going off the side here, and this was paneling, and they went ahead and painted it, brightened it up, brought in some new fixtures. We've got the ceiling fan in place down here, and just nice, open, inviting room. All right, we're gonna go upstairs to see the rest of our bedroom level. If I don't do another video before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. We have so very much to be thankful for, and I wish you and your family all of the best as we move into the holiday season. This is going to be our full bath here on the second level, and this is interesting because not only can we access it from the hallway, but we can also go into the primary bedroom right there. I love the styling that they did in here with our vanity. We've got that quartz top, and once again, that black and white as far as our finishes. Now, this is interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this. This is our shower, and this is a really sturdy door. It's got some nice heft to it. We've got a nice seal here. You can just look at that hardware and tell that that's a really nicely constructed sliding door. And they put that in conjunction with the black grout in the white tile. Nice big oversized shower head. And I think this just turned out really beautifully here in this gorgeous bath. All of this is complemented by a black tile floor. And you got a little space here in the corner. They put a towel rack there, but I imagine you could put some type of storage unit there if needed. All right, we're gonna transition now into our primary bedroom. And that is a queen size bed that's currently in place. So you've got enough space in here to do that with regular furniture with no problem. 2 windows in this home, a ceiling fan. This of course is our closet. And I'll give you a shot here from the corner. The ceiling fans that they put in are all not only fans but also lights, and they are all remote control. This unit here on the wall actually is a good place for it to stay because that way you don't lose it, but you can also pull it out. And now you've got a remote that you can move around, put on your nightstand, and use it accordingly. All right, directly across is going to be our bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 3, and this is larger than what I typically see in this floor plan. So you've got good space here in this bedroom. We've got 2 windows once again in this one. And of course, this nice clean color palette. All these walls are nice and neutral. All right, I'm gonna take you now into our 4th and final bedroom. It is right here. This one's just a touch smaller, but you could still, I think, get a full-size bed in here with no problem. This could also double if someone wanted to make this the home office, could do that and have some good natural light coming in as a result. The chair rail here in the hallway, that's an interesting touch. That's something we typically don't see in hallways, but I like it because it kind of breaks up the plain white wall and just gives it a little extra character. All right, this is a cutie. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. It is always so nice to see these renovated and staged homes, what the developers have done with them in order to bring them to market. If you have any questions about this or any other home on the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to let me know which book you would like. If you're the first person to respond, it's yours. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.